Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are watching all the videos regularly. I am your SS teacher Shweta. In today's session, we are going to revise Chapter 4 India Physical Features Part 2. Let's revise. Chapter 4 India Physical Features Part 2. In this chapter, we have learnt about the Thar Desert, the Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, and the islands. Remember, students? The Thar Desert lies in the northwestern part of India. It is a vast arid region. It forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It extends from Gujarat in the west to Punjab and Haryana in the north. A part of it extends to Pakistan also. Major part of this desert lies in Rajasthan. The Thar Desert has an extreme type of climate. During summer, the days are very hot while the nights are cooler. In winter, the days are warm but the nights are very cold. The Thar Desert receives very little rainfall. As a result, it remains almost dry. Some regions in Rajasthan experience floods during monsoon. River Luni flows through this region. Most of the desert is covered by shifting sand dunes. A sand dune is a small hill of sand formed by winds. Another feature of the desert region are oases. An oasis is an area in a desert where water is found. Date palms grow around oases as the soil around them is fertile. As the desert receives little or no rainfall, the vegetation mainly consists of bushes and shrubs. Some plants that grow in the desert are khejri, kikar, cactus and babul. Importance of the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert attracts many tourists from India and abroad every year. Jaipur, Udaipur and Jodhpur are known for their forts. Many types of animals and birds are found in the Thar Desert. Blackbuck, nilgai, chinkara, Indian wild ass and camel are some animals found in the desert region. There are many national parks in Rajasthan. A national park is an area of land protected by the government to keep animals safe. Some of the important national parks in Rajasthan are Sariska, Ranthambore and Kevladev. Students, do you all remember the Peninsula Plateau is almost in which shape? Yes, it is triangular in shape. It extends from the south of the northern plains to Kanyakumari, which is the southern tip of India. It is bordered by the Aravalli Hills on the northwest, the Western Ghats on the west, and the Eastern Ghats on the east. It is broadly divided into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands are bordered by the Aravalli Hills on the northwest and the Vindhya Range in the south. The Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau forms the western part of the Central Highlands. Chambal, Son and Betwa rivers along with their tributaries flow through this plateau. They join river Yamuna in the north. Narmada and Tapi rivers flow through this plateau and drain into the Arabian Sea. The climate of this region varies from moderate to hot. It receives rainfall between June and September. The Chota Nagpur Plateau lies to the east of the Central Highlands. It covers Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and parts of Odisha. The Rajmahal Hills form the northeastern part of the plateau. Some important rivers flowing through the plateau are Damodar, Son, and Bokaro. The plateau is rich in minerals. The climate of the region is hot and dry during summer. Winter and monsoon season are pleasant. The Deccan Plateau extends from the Satpura Range in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Western part, eastern part. On the western part of the plateau lie the Sahyadri, Nilgiri, Anaimalai, and Cardamom Hills. These hills form the Western Ghats. Anaimudi, which is located in Kerala, the highest peak of the Western Ghats. The eastern part of the plateau is bordered by the Eastern Ghats. Some places have a semi-arid climate while others have a warm climate. It receives rainfall from June to October. Major rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flow from west to east and drain into the Bay of Bengal. Coorg, Kodaikanal, Idukki, Ooty, and Wayanad are some famous hill stations on the Deccan Plateau. The importance of the Peninsula Plateau. The Ghats have many forests which provide wood and medicines. These forests are home to many animals such as sambar deer, hyenas, nilgai, sloth bear, Nilgiri tahr, elephants, tigers, and Indian giant squirrel. Chickpea, sugarcane, groundnut, and millets are some crops that are grown here. There are many hill stations in this plateau which attract tourists. Many important minerals are found in this region. A coastal plain is a flat area located near a sea or an ocean. The coastline of India is divided into the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It extends from Gujarat to Kerala. These plains are divided into the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. The Malabar coast is very famous for lagoons. It experiences a warm climate throughout the year. They receive heavy rainfall during the monsoon from June to September. Rivers flow through these plains are Narmada, Tapi, Zuari, and Mandovi. The crops grown in this region are cashews, groundnut, coconut, rice, and sugarcane. Some important cities situated on the western coastal plains are Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram, Mumbai, Goa, and Ernakulam. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. They stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. This coast is smoother and wider than the western coastal plains. The main rivers which flow through this plain are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These rivers and their tributaries flow into the Bay of Bengal. The northern part is called the Northern Circus and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. The climate is hot and humid and there is a heavy rainfall during the month of October, November and December. Crops which are grown here: sugarcane, rice, jute and cotton. Visakhapatnam, Karaikal, Puducherry and Chennai are the important cities. Chennai and Visakhapatnam are well-known port cities of eastern coastal plains. Importance of the coastal plains. The soil in the coastal plains is very fertile and hence a variety of crops grow here. The ports located here help in transporting goods to other countries. The coastal plains have many places of tourist attraction. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are the two main island groups of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal to the southeast of India. They are a group of 572 islands. It is a union territory of India and the capital is Port Blair. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Havelock Island, Car Nicobar, Nail Island and Viper Island are some of the islands located here. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea to the southwest of India. They are located about 300 km to the west of the Kerala coast. This island group is the smallest union territory of India and the capital is Kavaratti. The Lakshadweep Islands are small coral islands. They consist of about 36 islands. Some of the main islands are Minicoy, Agatti, Kalpeni and Kedmet. Hope that you all have understood it well. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.